Recipe Builder is a program designed for food factories, food operations to control their production. It gives them control over their recipe specifications, recipe costings, and production going through the factory. This is just a short video to show you what it can do for you in overview terms, and we'll go into more detail in subsequent videos. There are 6 main steps actually to putting recipes onto the system and then creating jobs for those to go through the factory, and let's have a quick look at those now. Step 1 here is you actually create a recipe. This will come preloaded with 2 or 3 recipes on it just to show you how you use it. And you can see here there's a recipe here for fish cakes, and it gives you on this first screen the cost of actually producing the product. And the units here, we're talking in terms of items. That can vary, and you can change all these. There are label details, actually the costings of the recipes, packaging information, production volumes, factory and Q&A notes, spec tolerations. All are here. Once you've created your recipes, you can actually create a job to go through the factory. This is a production order, and this is another one which we've created already for the fish cakes, producing 1,000 units. The next stage is an optional stage you can use. This gives a very simple production planner menu where you can combine several recipes together to see what the total amount of production you're going to go through the factory in whatever period you may be looking at, the following week, the following month, or whatever. And you can see there are reports designed to show you what volume is going to go through, how many kilograms you're producing, where you can select which recipes you're going to use, what volume you're going to produce of them. And that's an extremely useful report, and also shows you what ingredients you require to go through the factory. The next step is when you actually plan your job ingredients. Here, for whatever particular job you're going to be doing, you actually put in here all the individual ingredients you need. And there are, behind this, the ingredient summaries to help you, so you don't have to remember everything, and also different types of purchase orders have been allocated for different ingredients. Then there's raw material purchasing. Here you put in purchase orders through to your suppliers based on, let's look at one we've already got in here. Let's click back there. A very simple one through to supplier A, the date of it, what the product is, and how much you want. And then you produce with this a simple purchase order, all ready to have your business details added to it, which you can then create a PDF of and email that straight off to the supplier. The next thing to look at is finally the job completion, and back to that same form. When you typed in the ingredients you needed here, you put in the ingredients used, and all this is what this then does. Importantly, behind the raw materials management is it's updating all your details of your stock on hand. This is your raw material stocks, so you can see your raw material stocks listed here, what you have on hand, what's at the ordered stage in terms of jobs going through the system, what jobs have been scheduled, what jobs are work in progress, therefore what you have available in terms of raw materials, where they are, and details here of all the transactions. I hope that gives you a short introduction to what this program can do for you. It is extremely comprehensive. It's been used for a good number of years, so it's tried and tested. We know it works, and look forward to talking to you on the next video. Thank you.